everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you the recipe for cabbage kofta, which is a very famous Indian curry, but we never really tried with cabbage. This is my mother-in-law's special recipe, and guess what? There is no frying involved. There are two parts to this preparation. First, we will make the kofta balls, and then second is making the curry. The ingredients for the kofta balls are as follows. This is 1 small cabbage, which is grated, 3 serving spoons of gram flour or besan. This is 2 to 3 chilies, green chilies that are chopped. You can skip this if you don't like spice. I have 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste. You don't want too much because you will also add to the curry, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. For the curry, you need 2 medium-sized tomatoes and just slit across, 2 medium onions, just cut into bigger chunks, 4 cloves of garlic, about 1 inch of ginger peeled, green chilies to taste. I'm using 2. These are not very spicy. For the masalas, you need 1 bay leaf, 2 black cardamoms, some cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or to taste, and 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, desi ghee. You can use any other oil of choice. To make the kofta balls, first we will take the cabbage and squeeze out all the excess water from it. This is the squeezed water, don't throw it away. It has a lot of nutrition, and so we will use it in our curry later. Transfer the grated and the squeezed cabbage into a big bowl. Add the green chilies, add the dry masalas, so that's some salt to taste, some red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. Now we will add the gram flour or besan. Add half first, and then we'll mix it till we get the consistency we need. Knead this till it becomes a thick paste that you can roll easily into balls. This looks just right. To roll the balls, add some oil to your hands so it doesn't stick. Take small sizes and then roll them like this. You don't want too big. This is the perfect size. Take the dish in which you will steam this, add some oil and just spread it. Now place the kofta balls into this for steaming. This is the steaming container. The water is to a boil. First, we will add the vegetables for the curry to boil and also steam the balls at the same time. Start adding the vegetables in this water one by one. I forgot to mention, but we will also add some cashews to it since we will not be using cream. 10 to 12 cashews should be enough. Now we will place the balls to steam, and then this will be steamed for 20 minutes. These are the steamed kofta balls, and now I will transfer them to an air fryer and spray some oil and put them for frying for 15 minutes. You can also bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. This is how the boiled vegetables will look, and now we will transfer them in a blender and blend it into a paste. Koftas are well fried in the air fryer. Keep them aside. Take a big pan, turn on the heat, and as it heats, add the oil or clarified butter to it. Once the oil is heated, add the whole spices. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the cumin seeds and the hing or asafoetida. Once this is slightly cooked, add all the spices mentioned for the curry. Give it a good mix and quickly add some water so this doesn't burn out. Reduce the flame. Bring this mix to a boil, and then we will add in the paste that we made for the curry. Mix this and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. Don't forget to add the cabbage water that was left and keep cooking till it comes to a good boil. As you can see, the curry has come to a boil. At this time, we will add the kofta balls in it. Give it a good mix. Put the flame on medium and cover this and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. The curry has been cooking for almost 10 minutes now. I did forget to mention at the very onset, but you can actually add some kasuri methi to this, which is also called dried fenugreek leaves. Once this is almost cooked, this gives it a great flavor. So that's what I'm adding right now. And at this time, your curry is all ready. You can transfer this to a bowl and enjoy it with a nice roti or parantha.